Supreme Index Service Trading Journal. This version, that is all yours. So you can put in your levels, okay? Number of trade, the market is the JSE top 40. Is it a buy and sell? The entry date, the exit date. This will calculate how many days were held. You put in what your initial portfolio value is, the reason for getting into your trade, the trends, is it above 20? Is it below 20? Is it a high probability trade? Is it a medium probability trade? So you can choose that list. The time of entry is also important. The exchange rate is 1 if you are dealing with the ZAR portfolio, the South African rands. And then was it a win or a loss? Then you can put here, what was your risk percentage per trade? So with Supreme members, I always say 0.5%. And that is because 4 losing trades equates to 2%. If you followed the 2% rule and you took 4 losing trades, that is 8% of your portfolio, and it becomes a little bit more emotional. So with day trading, we want to risk less. The margin percentage per trade is 2% as per the Velocity Trader platform. So if you have any other type of platform that you're trading the JSE, find out what the margin percentage per trade with the JSE top 40. And the spread and between the ask and the bid is normally around 50 points. Then we have the margin deposit per CFD. It calculates for you. The max risk per trade calculates for you. The number of CFDs that you trade. The yellow all calculates for you. The lot size, the gearing, the total margin paid, right? So this is the margin paid per CFD. This is the total margin paid according to how many CFDs you buy or sell. Then you got your entry price, stop loss, take profit, and close price. The risk in move is between the entry and the stop loss, so it's the points that you're risking. The loss or gain is the close in points. Whatever the points closed at, that is what it is. The risk to reward close will calculate for you what the risk to reward is between your entry and your closing price. Then you got your exposure in and your exposure out, your profit and loss excluding costs, and your profit and loss including costs, which includes the 50-point spread. And then we have the accumulated profit and loss including costs. Okay.